Check out this Dodge 2020 Durango SXT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are engine, 3.6L V6 24V VVT UPG1 with ESS, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, STD, quick order package 2BA SXT included, engine 3.6L V6 24V VVT UPG1 with ESS transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, octane red pearl coat. Third row seating group included, second row 60/40 fold and tumble seat, third row remote headrest dumping, third row seat 7 passenger seating, black cloth low back bucket seats, front license plate bracket, rear wheel drive and power steering. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.